Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Southport Magistrates Court. Client was charged with drug driving. There's two types of drug driving. More serious is what's called drive under the influence of a drug, meaning you're high on drugs. The lesser charge is called drive whilst relevant drug present, meaning you've consumed it at some point. The effects have worn off. You're no longer high or under the influence, but there's still traces of it present in your system. Worst case for that's a 9-month disqualification. Mandatory minimum is 1 month. If you haven't lost your licence in the last 5 years and you were the holder of a open Queensland licence on the day you were intercepted, you can apply for what's called a drug driving work licence. Simple eligibility doesn't equate to success, but as a starting point you are eligible to apply. But my client held an international licence, so not a open Queensland licence, meaning that they were not eligible to apply for a drug driving work licence. So my job was obviously one of getting the disqualification down as low as possible, again, as opposed to applying for a drug driving work licence. But as I said, he's on an international licence, meaning he's here on a 457 visa, and he will be seeking to apply for permanent residency citizenship in due course. And for that reason, in addition to the loss of a licence, which was of great concern, was the recording of a conviction. Drug driving, it's not a criminal offence, it's a traffic offence, but notwithstanding, the recording of drug driving convictions can cause difficulties in a number of areas of life. One of them, on occasion, being seeking certain visas. So again, for that reason, he held as much a concern about the recording of a conviction as he did the loss of his licence. As far as preparing for today goes, I got him to complete a reformatory course that we get all of our clients to do. Got him to get some references. I actually drafted written submissions on the point of the recording of a conviction, summarising the legislation and certain case law in support of my argument that it would be appropriate for the magistrate not to record a conviction in this instance. Met the client in court this morning, ran through my submissions, the procedure, what he could expect the prosecutor to say, me to say, the magistrate, etc. There was a little bit of dancing around on my part, particularly on the recording of the conviction submission, but ultimately it was successful on both points. A, with regard to the licence, persuading the magistrate to give my client the mandatory minimum 1 month disqualification, so he's off the road for 1 month from today. And two, I was able to persuade the magistrate not to record a conviction. So 1 month disqualification, no conviction recorded, modest fine. Client's obviously very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Southport Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road.